Yo, Never After here, and today I will be doing a reaction video to Beep Beep, I'm a Sheep. So, yeah. Oh, this thing is so famous. You know which one ruined my childhood? Wait, I just need to find it. This one! That one! Dude, that one just ruined my childhood. I used to love Beep Beep, I'm a Sheep. But that, when I saw that, I'm like, childhood ruined. Okay, time to react to the video and stuff.
Gusto mo this one, yeah.
Okay, who cares? Okay.
Now some of you might be wondering, how exactly does one beep beep like a sheep? Take it away, Gabe!
Throw your hands up, then point them to the floor. Here's what to do, now get down on all fours. Just bounce around, it's easy for me. Go crazy now, and beep beep like a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, I'm a sheep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep.
Yeah, so, you know how to beep beep like a sheep, I see. But, is that all you can do?
Throw your hands up and point them to the sky. Drop to the floor and move from side to side. Just bounce around, come on, I'll show you how. I go crazy now, meow meow like a cow.
That's how you pick.
Meow meow, I'm a cow, say meow meow, I'm a cow. Meow meow, I'm a cow, say meow meow, I'm a cow. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep, I'm a sheep. Beep beep, you got to beep beep. I said beep beep like a sheep.
Cool. Okay, so that was Beep Beep Like a Sheep and stuff. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed. I'm gonna find a way to put this on YouTube, and hopefully it's probably the best on YouTube. It's probably not gonna be that good.